If you've ever felt that sharp, shooting pain of a toothache or winced just from drinking a glass of cold water, you know how debilitating it can be. And usually, right behind that physical pain is the financial dread of an expensive root canal. We often hear people say they have a bug or a worm in their tooth, but there is no literal bug. When you eat something sweet and don't clean your mouth, the natural bacteria in your mouth feast on that leftover sugar. As they eat, they excrete acid, rapidly dropping your mouth's pH level. That acidic environment sits on your teeth, dissolving your hard outer enamel. Over time, it creates a dark, hollow pit, exposing sensitive inner layers to the air. You can halt this acid attack and stop further damage without relying entirely on expensive chemical treatments. We do this by aggressively changing the mouth's chemistry and using specific, scientifically backed ingredients to stabilize the tooth structure. Step 1 is setting up a basic defense. Whenever you eat anything, whether it's a sweet dessert or a savory meal, you need to aggressively rinse your mouth with plain water 2 to 3 times right away. This simple mechanical action rapidly shifts your mouth's pH from a dangerous acidic state back to a safe, neutral alkaline state. It washes away the leftover food debris before the bacteria can even start digesting it. Step 2 is brushing at night, but timing is everything. You must wait exactly 1 full hour after eating your dinner before you pick up your toothbrush. If you brush immediately after a meal, your enamel is still soft from the food's natural acids. Rubbing stiff bristles against softened enamel will scrape it right off and cause severe, permanent damage. By combining that immediate water rinse to balance the pH with a delayed nighttime brush, you create an impenetrable baseline. You literally starve the bacteria of their fuel source for the entire night. With that baseline set, we can introduce our first specialized tool to actively destroy plaque, natural alum, also known in India as fitkari. You need to use the right kind. You want the raw, irregularly shaped alum stone, not the chemically processed, perfectly square aftershave blocks you often see in stores. The raw stone is pure and highly effective for oral care. To use it, simply wet your regular toothbrush, rub the bristles firmly against the white alum stone 4 to 5 times to extract the minerals, and then brush your teeth just like you normally would. As you brush, you'll notice a slightly astringent, dry taste and a mild foaming action. This tells you the alum is actively working to break down bacterial buildup on the enamel. After spitting that out, take a few drops of cold-pressed coconut oil on your finger and massage it directly into your teeth and gums to hydrate the tissue, then give your mouth a final rinse. This combination of alum and coconut oil works together to neutralize existing plaque while simultaneously coating the gums to prevent new bacterial attachment. This creates a hostile environment for microbes throughout the night, leaving you with 0 morning breath. If you want an alternative to commercial mouthwashes, look no further than the trees right in your neighborhood, specifically fresh neem or guava leaves. Take 2 to 3 fresh leaves, wash them, and chew them thoroughly until they completely break down and mix with your saliva to form a concentrated juice. Don't swallow it. Use your tongue and cheek muscles to vigorously swish that green juice into every corner and gap in your mouth for exactly 1 minute, and then spit it out. If you chose guava leaves, you're targeting the bacteria's grip. These leaves actively deactivate the sticky, glue-like enzyme that bacteria use to latch onto your tooth enamel. Without that grip, they easily wash away. If you chose neem leaves, you get a different benefit. Neem is highly effective at neutralizing lingering acids in the mouth and physically tightening up inflamed, bleeding gums. Dedicating just 1 minute to chewing and swishing these leaves gives you clinically proven antibacterial protection, completely bypassing the drying side effects of alcohol-based chemical mouthwashes. Now, if your tooth is already decaying and you are in active pain, we need to pivot from prevention to intervention. For this, we use a fast-acting natural painkiller, clove. Clove is effective because it contains a compound called eugenol. This is the exact same numbing agent utilized by professional dentists in their clinics to dull nerve pain. We can use clove in 3 ways. Level 1 is the quick fix. Place a single whole clove directly under the aching tooth. Press down gently to release the oils, but do not chew it. If the pain is severe, you need level 2, the deep treatment. Take exactly 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and mix in 2 to 3 drops of concentrated clove oil. Soak a small cotton ball in this mixture, press it directly against the rotting tooth, and leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Finally, level 3 is a daily maintenance wash. In a 200 milliliter bottle, combine water, 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, and 3 to 4 drops of clove oil. Keep this bottle in your bathroom. Every day, shake it well to mix the oils. Take a small sip and swish the solution around your mouth for 30 seconds. Using these 3 graduated clove methods gives you complete control over sudden flare-ups of pain and inflammation. It bridges the gap between basic home care and the time you might need professional dental intervention. You don't need to do all of these steps at once. Trying to juggle everything will just overcomplicate your routine. Instead, select just 1 or 2 of these remedies and commit to them strictly for the next 60 days. While treating the outside of the teeth, you also need to support them from the inside. Eating natural astringents like jamun or Indian blackberry helps keep the gum tissues tight and firm around the base of the tooth. You can also incorporate raw, crunchy foods like carrots and apples into your diet. Because of their dense, fibrous texture, these foods act as mechanical scrubbers. As you chew, the fibers physically scrape away lingering plaque from your teeth. Finally, make sure you're eating calcium-rich foods like curd, paneer, and lentils daily. Your teeth are primarily made of calcium, and a steady supply fortifies the internal structural integrity of the enamel. Consistent application of these methods manages the bacteria that cause decay and provides the minerals your teeth need to remain strong. Let me know in the comments which specific remedy you are starting tonight. Thanks for watching.